Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Pancakeswap with MetaMask on mobile. First, ensure you have the MetaMask app installed on your phone. Next, you'll need to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. This involves entering specific network details like the RPC URL and chain ID. Once configured, open the MetaMask browser and navigate to the Pancakeswap website. This initial setup is crucial for accessing decentralized finance. Now that you're connected, let's swap some tokens. On the Pancakeswap interface, find the Trade section and select Swap. You'll then choose the tokens you want to exchange, like BNB for cake. Input the amount you wish to swap, review the transaction details, and confirm. Remember to account for gas fees, which are paid in BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a straightforward process to diversify your crypto holdings. Providing liquidity is a great way to earn passive income. Head over to the Liquidity section on Pancakeswap. Here, you'll select two tokens to contribute as a pair, such as BNB and BUST. Ensure you provide an equal value of each token. Confirm the amounts, approve the transaction in MetaMask, and you'll receive LP tokens. These LP tokens represent your share of the liquidity pool and can be staked for further rewards. Finally, let's look at farming and staking to maximize your earnings. Visit the Farms section to stake your LP tokens and earn cake, or explore pools to stake single tokens. Always understand the impermanent loss risks associated with farming. It's an exciting way to grow your crypto portfolio. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy farming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.